What's up? In this video I'll be showing you guys how to buy and sell USDT using MEXC Global Exchange P2P. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So first and first, make sure you get a MEXC Global Exchange account. You're going to see the link in the description box. And after that, make sure you verify your ID by clicking this avatar right here at the left top corner. So once you click on the avatar, all right, so you click here and make sure you verify. As you can see, my own account is verified. After a verification, be able to perform transaction, be able to buy and sell USDT through the MEXC Global Exchange P2P. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do is to click on your wallet. Okay, so you're gonna see fiat, or you can go back to home and click on more. Then you click on P2P right here. After clicking on more, then you click on the P2P option. All right, so it will take you to the P2P page, and as you can see, every now and then MEXC is always giving, out bonuses, airdrop, and other stuff like that. This month alone, I think I've gotten over $1,300 airdrop from MEXC Global Exchange. Free money, all right? So you can also be a lucky winner as well. You can also get a free airdrop from MEXC Exchange. So make sure you sign up using the link in the description box. So as you can see right here, spin to win, unlock lucky draw chances, and earn up to $200. So you can click join now, all right, to participate. So you click on register now, and you click to draw. So you have to complete, tasks, like you have to complete some tasks, all right. So these are the tasks right here. Okay, invite users and complete P2P buy orders, right? First deposit, blah blah blah. So let's just go straight to how you can buy and sell your USDT on P2P using MEXC Global Exchange. So now you can see we have the buy button here and we have the sell button. Okay, so apart from the P2P, there are other options. Okay, we have the quick buy, we have the bank transfer, we have the third party. So but the P2P is actually the best option for Nigerians. All right, so for Nigerians staying in Nigeria. Okay, so now as you can see right here, we have merchant. So if you want to buy right now, okay, all you just have to do is to look for a better offer. So first and first, you type the amount you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy like 500,000 naira worth of USDT. So you type and search for it. So you can see we have merchant. So you are going to see the orders, their completion rate. So take notes. So before you select or choose an offer, take note of the orders and the completion rate. So anything from 90% and above, you can go with it. So anything below 90%, don't choose, don't select. All right, so make sure that the orders is above 200, 500, so like the one here. So I'd rather go for this first one than to go for this one that completed 104 orders, though the completion rate of this one is 100%, but I'd rather go for this one. This one has completed more orders than this. All right, so this are another one right here. Yeah, over 1,500 orders with 100% completion rate. So I just have to do is to click on buy. So you select the best offer, okay, with the best completion rate, the best merchant with the best completion rate. Okay, so and as you can see, I want to pay. So you type the amount you want to pay. All right, so once you type the amount you want to pay, okay, click on done. All right, so you click here, I've read and agree. Then you click on buy USDT. But take note, before you do this, all right, you must add your email and phone number. Very important. Okay, so you can also add your Google Authenticator. Okay, so that's how to buy. Then how to sell. Okay, I want to sell like 64 USDT right now. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I already have 64 USDT on my fiat account which I want to sell. So but before that, let me show you the first process. Okay, so the first process, okay, let me transfer this back to my spot wallet. It's loading. Okay, good. So I've transferred it to my spot wallet. So the first thing first is to deposit USDT into your spot wallet. All right, so you click on deposit, you click on on-chain deposit, you click on USDT, then you select your network, whether TRC20 or Solana. Okay, so let's say I want to withdraw USDT now from my Royal Q account. Okay, it's loading. So you can withdraw USDT from any of your exchanges or any of your platforms that you're using. So I have some USDT here. You can decide to withdraw, some of this USDT. I'll just click on withdraw, then click on crypto wallet. Okay, then click on TRC20. All right, I understand. So I'll just select the TRC20, then click on copy, then paste and withdraw. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys an example. All right, so you use this to receive USDT into your spot wallet. All right, so for those of you that don't know about Royal Q is a crypto trading board that has been in existence since 2021. All right, so it helps you to trade cryptocurrency automatically. It's automated, so you can connect it or link it with your Binance, Bybit, Huobi exchange, MEXC, and it can be trading on all these exchanges simultaneously. KuCoin, about 8 or 10 exchanges. All right, so it's a very powerful tool. So if you don't want to stress yourself on monitoring trades, Royal Q bot is there to help you and generate profit for you, consistently. So now let's go back to fiat. So I want to sell that 64 USDT, so I'm going to click on transfer, then I'll type the 64, then I'm going to click on transfer. So from spot to fiat, take note. So I'm going to click on trade, so to take me to the page where I'm going to select P2P. So as you can see, we have quick buy here, but I'm going to use P2P. I'm going to click on quick buy and select P2P. Okay, best prices, zero fees. So it's straightforward. So this is not like Bybit where you'll be seeing fake prices at the top. So you have to go to the bottom before you see the real sellers or the real buyers or the real prices. Okay, so it's simple, straightforward. All right, so and it's kind of safe. All right, so now I'm going to enter the amount that I want to sell. So that 64 should actually give me like 90,000. Right, so I have some offers right here. So I'm going to select this second one. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy USDT. Oh, I'm selling, I'm not buying. Okay, take note, you have to click on sell if you are selling. All right, so I'm selling. So we have this offer here, so I'll click on sell USDT, then click on hold. Okay, so that's 97k. So I'll click I have read and agree, then I'm going to click on sell USDT. So it's loading. Okay, P2P trading security tips. I'm going to click on OK, and all I just have to do is to wait for payment. All right, so kindly make payment and send proof of payment. Yeah, the one making payment to me, I'm not the one making payment to you. So now immediately I receive payment from the person. Okay, so the next thing I have to do, okay, is to go back to my wallet. Okay, click on fiat. Let me go back. Yeah, wallet. Okay, then click on fiat at the top, then click on buy crypto. right? Then the next thing I have to do is to click these three dots right here at the right top corner. Okay, three dots. So you're going to see others. Okay, so you click on P2P orders. So the payment has arrived. Okay, so this is the payment right here. Okay, so you must make sure you receive the payment. You must make sure that your account is credited before you release. Okay, so once you click on the three dots, okay, right here, you click on orders. All right, so then you click on P2P orders. So you click here. Okay, so yeah, you're going to see please confirm receipts. So you click on please confirm receipt, and this is a message from MEXC Exchange. All right, your order ending blah 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 has been marked. So I'm gonna click on OK. Then I'm gonna click on payment received. All right, so I'm gonna click on confirm. Then I'm going to enter verification code. Let me switch to mobile verification code. I'm gonna click on get code. Yeah. So this is the reason why I said you must use your email or phone number. It must be connected. So for the verification code, yeah, the verification code has entered 622889. 622889. Then I'm gonna click on yes. All right, done. So this is how you buy and sell USDT through MEXC Global Exchange P2P. All right, so I do really hope you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure you like, comment, and share. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.